children, let's learn the three-letter words. A-X-C, axe. A-N-T, ant. A-P-E, ape. B-U-N, bun. B-A-G, bag. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-N, can. C-A-R, car. D-A-D, dad. D-O-G, dog. D-A-M, dam. E-G-G, egg. E-A-R, ear. E-L-F, elf. F-A-N, fan. F-I-G, fig. F-O-X, fox. G-U-N, gun. G-Y-M, gym. G-A-S, gas. H-A-T, hat. H-A-M, ham. H-U-G, hug. I-N-K, ink. I-C-E, ice. I-V-Y, ivy. J-U-G, jug. J-E-T, jet. J-A-R, jar. K-E-Y, key. K-I-T, kit. K-I-D, kid. L-E-G, leg. L-I-P, lip. L-A-B, lab.